In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Square appointments with Google Calendar, providing you with a full and comprehensive guide for 2025. This process is essential for small business owners and professionals who rely heavily on efficient scheduling and seamless integration between platforms. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Square Appointments webpage. This is the centralized place for all your appointment scheduling needs and serves as your gateway to manage bookings effectively. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its features if you're new to this platform. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. You'll find this option on the top right corner of your screen. Simply enter your credentials, your registered email and password, and log into your account. If you're already logged in, you're a step ahead. Now that you're signed in, head over to the Square dashboard. You can find this directly by clicking the appropriate link. The dashboard is your control center for all things related to your business operations with Square. It makes managing your appointments smooth and intuitive. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click on Appointments. This section is dedicated exclusively to managing your bookings. Whether you're adding new appointments, rescheduling, or checking your availability, this is your go-to destination. With your appointments in view, look for the settings icon next and click on it. Settings allow you to configure various aspects of your appointment scheduling, so take your time to explore if needed. But for now, we are focused on linking your Google Calendar. In your settings, you'll see an option that says Link Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on it. This is a critical step as it enables you to sync your Google Calendar with Square Appointments. This integration ensures that your scheduling is seamless and updated across both platforms. Once you've linked your calendars, any appointment changes made in Square will automatically reflect in your Google Calendar and vice versa. And there you have it, you've successfully synced your Square appointments with your Google Calendar. This integration not only saves time but helps prevent overbooking and scheduling conflicts. As you continue to use these powerful tools, you'll find that they bring a level of convenience and efficiency to your business operations that every modern professional values. If you encountered any issues or have further questions about the process, please feel free to reach out through comments or contact Square's support team. Thank you for joining me today. We hope this guide has illuminated the path to a more organized and streamlined scheduling system for your business. Stay tuned for more informative guides and how-tos.